Oh, Saudi of Magnetism, best living in Chip Keep Sosa, Brother Song, then followed by West Rim, Colonial Star, and trailing the group is Babes Magic, Chip Keep Sosa. Magnetism is already outside second, Brother Song in third, West Rim in fourth, then comes Colonial Star and Babes Magic still racing in last. And that's still Chip Keep Sosa, the leader by about 3 lengths. Magnetism running by the West Rim, Brother Song rushing about the outside fourth, Colonial Star and Babes Magic with Chip Keep Sosa still in front by about 2 lengths. Brother Song, Colonial Star, West Rim, Magnetism and Babes Magic. Chip Keep Sosa still the leader. Magnetism, Brother Song, Colonial Star is running by the rail, but it's still Chip Keep Sosa by about 2 lengths. Brother Song, Colonial Star is running by the West Rim, Magnetism with Chip Keep Sosa now by about 2.5 lengths. Brother Song still in second as they come down at the last of the day. And it's still Chip Keep Sosa over Brother Song, Magnetism. Chip Keep Sosa by about 6 lengths. And entering the finish line, it's number 2, Chip Keep Sosa. Second, Magnetism, Brother Song, West Rim, Babes Magic, and Colonial Star.
Okay, bayang karelista, para po dito sa inyong race number 6. Ito po ang ating nanalo, your favorite numero 2, Chip Keep Sosa, na ginabayan nga po ni JPA Guse. At tingnan po